Before 2017, AI read language one word at a time, like a person spelling a sentence letter by letter. These recurrent networks were slow, and they forgot the start of a long sentence by the time they reached the end. Something had to break the bottleneck. A team at Google published a paper with a bold title, "Attention is all you need." Their idea was radical: throw out the step-by-step reading entirely. Let the model look at every word in a sentence at once, and decide which words matter most to each other. Attention lets a model weigh relationships. In the sentence, "The trophy didn't fit in the suitcase because it was too big," the model learns that it points to the trophy, not the suitcase. It does this for every word, in parallel, building a web of meaning instead of a chain. Reading everything at once had a hidden gift: it ran beautifully on GPUs, chips built to do thousands of calculations in parallel. Training that once took weeks could now use enormous hardware efficiently. For the first time, bigger models were not just possible, they were practical. Researchers noticed something almost unreasonable. Make the transformer bigger, more data, more parameters, more compute, and it kept getting smarter, with no clear ceiling in sight. This simple recipe, scale it up, became the engine behind nearly every major AI system that followed. The transformer became the T in GPT, short for generative pre-trained transformer. Trained on vast amounts of text to predict the next word, these models learned grammar, facts, reasoning patterns, even coding, all as side effects. A tool built to autocomplete accidentally learned to converse. The same architecture turned out to be universal. Feed it image patches and it recognizes objects. Feed it protein sequences and it predicts how they fold. Feed it audio and it transcribes speech. The transformer became a general-purpose pattern machine for almost any kind of data. There is a catch. Looking at every word against every other word grows expensive fast. Double the text and you quadruple the work. Much of today's research is a race to keep the transformer's power while taming its enormous appetite for memory and compute. So the strange 2017 paper delivered on its title. Attention really was most of what AI needed. Nearly every chatbot, image generator, and coding assistant you use today traces back to that single idea: letting a machine decide, for itself, what to pay attention to.